piping tool here, which is supposed to be help with my performance, more my piping performance, because I really screwed up a lot of piping situations. But yeah, so that's what I have here, and that's what I'm going to be using. I want to talk a little bit about the coconut oil. The coconut oil is also in one of the other ingredients that I like to put in all the butters, really. I think I use coconut oil more in some, you know, every one of the butters that I made, I've always used coconut oil, even if it's just like a half of a cup or something like that. Coconut oil hydrates the skin, which aids in moisturizing your skin. It also is it locks in the moisture into your skin when you put it on there. It soothes your body or your skin and helps with inflammation. So it's anti-inflammatory. It's also antimicrobial. That's what I really like about it, because if with any of the butters, if you use coconut oil in any of your butters that you make, it's going to be antimicrobial. So it's, you think about things, once you get the oil or the butter is sitting up for a while, that coconut oil is in there still, you know, working, keeping it from being, you know, things from growing in there. Okay, so I wanted to talk about the shea butter. So this is what I've been using. The refined shea butter. The white one is refined, because they have other shea butters out there. The African raw shea butter. They have the just unrefined shea butter. So there's different ones. But I really think this is a great product. And for the most part, this is what I will be using in a lot of butters. Especially, I think, with combined with the mango butter and other butters and also essential oils, it's really has. I would say I have the most new and improved shea butter. I mean, it appears to go on when you use this shea butter, it goes on, and then it just absorbs into your skin for some reason. But let me just talk about some of the benefits here, because you can use this on your skin and on your hair. So, because it's, you know, basically it moisturizes, hydrates your skin. It's rich in vitamin A and E, and fatty acids, and antioxidants, which help with anti-aging, which, you know, reduces wrinkles and prevent premature lines and wrinkles in your skin. Okay, also, shea butter can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks by improving skin elasticity and collagen production. Wow, this is a really big one. And I have no doubt that when I'm using the shea butter in some of these butters, the effect of it is, you know, remarkable. Also, it also helps with, you know, skin conditions like eczema, rosacea, dry skin, dermatitis, and different things like that. So that's just the name of a few. Somebody asked if shea butter brightens your skin. But it says that I'm seeing information that says that it naturally lightens and even out the skin tone with continued use. If you keep using it, will give you a more even skin tone. Shea butter. So shea butter is like, yeah, I actually had to get more of this because I've already had using it. I use it in most everything. Most of all butters, or like scrub in the scrubs. But yeah, I use it mostly in the if I'm making like a body butter, I'm using a lot of shea butter. But if I'm using in like a sugar scrub or something, maybe not much. Then maybe like a small amount. A small amount in the recipe. Mango butter would be the major one with the coconut oil, but in a little bit of shea butter. Cause I like the shea butter to be put in mostly the body butters, because of for the properties that I just mentioned, being very good with these skin conditions, and it's the fact that you can use it in your hair, and it's just for the skin altogether, because all of those vitamins, the vitamins there, it's rich in vitamin A, E, and fatty acids and antioxidants. So one of the other oils I wanted to talk about was your jojoba oil. The jojoba oil balances the skin sebum production. Okay, that's it. Because if you got too much sebum, it's excreting from the skin, can cause acne. So it balances that. It also moisturizes your skin. It's also an anti-inflammatory, which calms and soothes irritated skin. That's what jojoba oil does. And it also prevents premature aging. It prevents premature aging. Also, jojoba oil, it does not clog your pores. Which means it absorbs into your skin easier. So yes, so I wanted to really talk about some of these wonderful oils that I'm adding and creating this body butter with. That is really like nourishing, to your skin, and it's very good, especially during the winter months when people's skins usually dry out, and in the cold also protects and helps, lock in the moisture, and then also that's a very protective mechanism. What oil? If anything, when you think about consuming any type of oil, getting through the skin is probably the most efficient. So what I have done is I have heated this up, and the temperature got up to 150 degrees. And now what I'm going to do is put it on ice or in the cooler, or in the refrigerator, so that it can, get cool. And after that, I'm going to whip it up into the butter. And then I'm going to add some other essential oils, and maybe some more vitamin E oil, And that's pretty much going to be it. But I did add some vitamin E oil in the beginning. But I'm going to add a little bit more, as you know, our vitamin E oil. And some of the oils are very sensitive, and they will not, stand too much heat. So I'm going to add them in around the bend here. And I'll be back.